Let me show you how to make the perfect egg rolls. It's absolutely delicious and very easy to prepare. So let's get into this video. First, I'm going to be adding about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, mix really well, and then add your soft butter or margarine. Mix it until it becomes crumbles, and then get your milk ready. So I'm going to be adding evaporated milk, or you can add fresh milk as well. Next, add your vanilla extract or any flavor that you prefer. Gradually combine wet and dry ingredients together until it forms like a dough. But make sure you don't over knead that. It's very important. So after everything is well kneaded, go ahead and place it on a clean surface. So as you can see, this is the perfect consistency that we want. So next, I'm gonna cut the dough into small sizes or preferred sizes and place egg in the middle. So I've already boiled my egg, and this is how I make that rounded shape. So what I do is I just squeeze that, and then I make like a little pinch or a small hole in the middle, and I place my egg in the middle, and I fold all of them together, just to get that perfect like ball shape. Yeah, exactly how OBAAPA is doing. So I'm going to be repeating this process like 3 times until I get all my doughs ready. So while I'm getting this ready, I have already set my fire in a low medium heat, and we're going to deep fry this. Can you bake this as well? I think you can, but I've never tried baking that. So next we have our oil nice and hot. I'm using coconut oil, but you can use any oil that you prefer. So gradually we're gonna place all our dough in there, and we're gonna deep fry them. So make sure that you keep an eye on it and the fire is not too hot. Alright guys, so it's almost done. As you can tell, it's coming along really well and it looks so beautiful. It smells really nice. So if this is your first time trying this recipe as me, you're gonna love this. So after you deep fry them, this is how everything is gonna turn out. Beautiful, done, and absolutely delicious. I remember growing up in Ghana, my mom used to buy this for us, and when you get that egg in the middle, you become really excited because you got one whole egg to enjoy. I'll never forget that, guys. So yeah, this is how I make my perfect egg rolls or egg buns. And I hope you enjoy this recipe. Make sure to try that out, and I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below, so feel free and check that out. If you truly enjoyed this recipe, please follow, share, and like for us. Until I see you again, have a blessed day.